What's going on YouTube? Jelani from JelaniTheMarketer.com here, back again with another video. And in this video, guys, I'm going to give you my idea of the best affiliate marketing course that you can possibly purchase, okay? This course is absolutely amazing, and it's actually taught by someone that is Clickfunnels' #1 affiliate. He made $1 million just promoting Clickfunnels as an affiliate, so it's really, really cool that he made a course showing you exactly how he did that. But before we actually dive into why I think it's the best affiliate marketing course on the market, you definitely want to subscribe and hit that alert button so you know when I post a new video. And also make sure that you check out my Instagram at Jelani the Marketer. Check out my blog also at blog.jelanithemarketer.com. Posted some really cool content on there, so go check that out. All right, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so the course that I'm talking about is called Affiliate Secrets. Now this course is taught by Spencer Mecham, and like I said, he is Clickfunnels #1 guys. No other affiliate has done this, and he sold $1 million just by promoting Clickfunnels. It's absolutely amazing, and in this course he actually shows you the strategies and everything that it took for him to get to that point. So why do I think it's the best course? Because I personally have taken the course and those strategies are crazy good, okay? So I want to actually give you a rundown of why I think this course is the best course for you to get started with affiliate marketing. So if you follow along on my screen right here, you can actually see Spencer has a very simple landing page, okay? So if you click the link down below, you'll get access to this cheat sheet that he's providing you and what we're going to be going over on the screen right now, okay? So the landing page says, the ultra boring process I used to create a 7-figure of affiliate revenue in 2018, okay? So like I said, he made $1 million just creating affiliate offers, promoting Clickfunnels. Absolutely crazy. So once you click this button, that's all you have to do is click the button, and you can see on the lower left hand side here, you'll see all these people purchasing the course. You might see my name out there as well. But I'm just going to put in my test email, and then just to give you guys an idea of how this whole process works, once you click the link down below, you'll get to see exactly the same exact process. So just click this button, just put in your name, put in your email. Yes, send me the $1,000 formula. He's going to actually send you a cheat sheet to your email. So make sure that you're putting in an email that you actually check, that you actually use, therefore you can get that cheat sheet before you see the course, okay? So once you put in your information, this is actually a masterclass replay where he shows you some strategies as well. It's a really, really good video. I highly recommend that you check this video out because it does give you a bit of background of who Spencer is. And I always say, before you buy a course, you always want to make sure that you actually are doing some research on the person that's teaching the information. Do they have credentials? Do they have people that are supporting them and testimonials, right? You want to do some research. So I would recommend that you take a look at this replay. It's about an hour long or so, but it's really, really jam-packed with information. So definitely go check that out. But if you don't want to check out the replay, all you have to do is click on the Affiliate Secrets 2.0 button here. And once you do that, you're going to actually be brought to the order page. Now, this is actually a really cool setup, because normally what people do is they will not have the replay there. They will just essentially bring them to a sales page after the replay, right? Like, so they have to watch the replay, or they have to watch the webinar before that they get to the order page, or before they even get an option to see the order page. So this is really, really cool that Spencer's allowing the people who land on these pages to actually go to the order page, the sales page, before watching the webinar. It just gives you a bit more options if you don't have the time to spend an hour on watching the information. So once you click that button, what happens is you're going to be brought to the sales page, and he actually gives you another video showing you exactly what's in the course. So he's not hiding anything from you guys. He's showing you exactly the modules, the exact videos and information that you're going to get as soon as you purchase the course. It's really awesome, and he's very transparent. I talk to Spencer not every day, but I talk to him, and every single time that I have a question, or every time I have a question about within the course or something like that, he always gets back to me. So he's really, really transparent, and he really knows what he's talking about, guys. Okay, so once you get on this page, you want to definitely scroll down here. You definitely want to see what people are saying. You want to see if people are getting results, and absolutely this is 100% result friendly. Like, you will get results if you follow along with what Spencer is teaching you in the course. That's not to say that you're going to get the same results that everyone else is getting, but if you apply yourself, you will get results. Okay, guys? So there are, let's see here, there are 8 modules, okay? So Each module is just something about it's either the strategy behind how he was able to make $1 million, and also showing you different affiliate offers that he is promoting, but he also shows you how to build a brand that will actually last. Okay, so a brand that you can use outside of the affiliate marketing world, but also inside the affiliate marketing world, so that it can benefit you long term. So this is really cool that he's doing this in this course. So like I said, module 8 is like about creating a team and outsourcing, and how you can actually find people that are going to help you with your long-term goals. Okay, guys? So that's really cool that he is actually also showing you that too. So I would definitely, go down this page, see what it's about, see what bonuses that you get. And then once you are, once you take a look, the price did increase to $8.97. When I got in it, it was at, I believe, $4.97. Then it went to $6.97, and it's going to $8.97 now. It will probably go up again, knowing Spencer, because this information is so valuable, and he also is always revamping the information that's taught in this course. So I highly recommend that you get in now. You don't know when the next price increase is going to come. Okay, guys? So once you just scroll down here, just look at the testimonials, and then once you're ready to make that commitment or that investment to yourself, this is an investment to yourself, guys. There's no better way to get success than investing in yourself and investing in information that will help you get to the point where you want to be. And this course, I can guarantee you, will be one of the best courses that you take. Okay, so once you're ready to make that investment, like I said, it's $8.97, but the $8.97 that you're going to get that back. I promise. If you apply the information that's within Spencer's course, you will get that. You will get $8.97 back, and tenfold. Okay, so most people ask me, like, how do you get recurring income, or like, how did you get passive income so quickly? And I can tell you that strategies within Spencer's course definitely helped me get to that point where I'm getting trials into my Clickfunnels account every single day. New people are just clicking my links on YouTube, clicking my links on my blog, right? And this is a testament to some of the strategies that were in this specific course. Okay, so once you're ready to make that investment, just click on one of these orange buttons, and the pop-up will appear. You put in your card number, and then boom, you'll get access immediately. And I can guarantee you that once you get access, you're going to be floored with the information that Spencer has put together with this course. It's really information that's super valuable, and you don't get a lot of people who are this trustworthy or this transparent when it comes to the information that they're teaching. A lot of people in this game, unfortunately, are not in it for your well-being. They're in it for themselves, and you don't really come across a lot of people who are willing to kind of just put all their strategies out in the forefront to help you, and Spencer is one of those people. So I highly recommend that if you want to get started with affiliate marketing, you have to get this course. It's the #1 course on the market, hands down, when it comes to affiliate marketing. So click the link down below. Like I said, you'll get access to this specific page. You click the link, and then you'll be brought to the order form where you can make the investment to really start making passive income online. There's no better way to start by just starting today. So click the link, check out Spencer. If you have any questions about the course, or if you don't think this is right fit, or you have some questions, you can reach out to me, because I personally have taken the course. I paid the money to get access, so I know what it looks like. Let me actually show you. Let me show you the I'll show you that I actually bought the course, guys. No joke here. So let me show you what it actually looks like once you get inside and you make that investment. Okay, the way that it's set up, it is set up in two parts. So you can see it says Affiliate Secrets 2.0 module 3 and Affiliate Secrets 2.0. So now within these two modules, there's a lot of videos. So the way that Spencer set it up, basically he has module 1 and 2 in one section, and then module 3 is in its whole thing, and then module 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or whatever is in the other sections. Okay, so this is module 2.0, or Affiliate Secrets 2.0 module 3, where it's all about YouTube specifically, and also about different people talking about different subjects. And then in module, or Affiliate Secrets 2.0, where it's like module 1, module 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, that's the rest of the information. So this is exactly how it will look like once you make that investment in yourself. Okay, so we're talking about, the overview of the course. We're talking about how to choose niches, what traffic sources you can use, and that's more talking about YouTube, the value proposition that you should be talking about when it comes to the offers, and then also the bonuses, the funnel that he uses specifically to get these leads in the door, the products that he chooses, how he chooses the products. He also gives you email marketing swipe files that you can actually plug and play with your email marketing service. So it's really awesome. And then he also talks about outsourcing. So how do you find people who are good and who are going to work with you and want to actually build something, right? So this course, honestly, guys, is what you need to get started with affiliate marketing, hands down. So click the link down below. And if you have any questions, reach out to me, reach out to Spencer as well, because I'm sure he will love to hear from you. Let him know that I brought you there so he can kind of get a sense of where you came from. But guys, that is it for today. This is the #1 course if you want to get into affiliate marketing, hands down. So go check that out. Click the link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, definitely subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when I post a new video. Check out my Instagram @JelaniTheMarketer, and check out my blog, blog.JelaniTheMarketer.com. And if you have any comments or suggestions, leave those down below and give me a thumbs up if you like this type of content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.